If you want a body that performs like a well-oiled machine, you need to fuel it properly. No shortcuts, no excuses. A balanced diet and regular exercise are non-negotiable. Today, we're diving into the essential foods and supplements you need for a healthy lifestyle and optimal fitness. Get ready to transform yourselves from culinary disasters to kitchen commandos. Right, you lot, let's talk protein. This isn't some fad diet, it's bloody essential. Protein is the building block of muscle, and without it, you're stuffed. You want those muscles to recover and grow after a grueling workout? Protein. Think of it this way. You break your muscles down during training, and protein swoops in to repair and rebuild them. Without enough protein, you're essentially running on fumes, risking injury and fatigue. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are your best mates. Eggs are another top contender, packed with protein and essential nutrients. And don't forget about plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Quality matters, you hear me? Choose lean protein sources and cook them properly. Remember, protein is crucial for everyone, from growing teenagers to active adults. Listen up, you Muppets. Fat does not make you fat. In fact, healthy fats are absolutely crucial for optimal health and fitness. They're like the lubricant that keeps your body running smoothly, from hormone production to nutrient absorption. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and oily fish like salmon. These powerhouses are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the kind that do your body good. Healthy fats help regulate your hormones, which is crucial for everything from muscle growth to mood stabilization. They also play a vital role in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without these vitamins, your body can't function at its best. Omega-3 fatty acids found in abundance in fatty fish are like rocket fuel for your brain. So, ditch the fear-mongering and embrace healthy fats as your allies in the quest for a fitter, healthier you. But remember, moderation is key. Listen up, you lot. Let's talk about fiber, the unsung hero of the nutrition world. Fiber is like the cleaning crew for your gut, keeping things moving and grooving. It's essential for digestive health, blood sugar control, and even weight management. Think of fiber as the broom that sweeps away all the waste and toxins in your digestive tract. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. A happy gut means a happy you, and fiber is the key. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, fiber is your secret weapon. So, load up on those fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Aim for a mix of both soluble and insoluble fiber in your diet. Carbohydrates, you lot, the body's primary source of fuel. Don't let the low-carb fanatics fool you. Carbs are essential, especially if you're active and pushing your limits. They're like the high-octane gasoline that powers your workouts and keeps you going strong. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, which your muscles use for energy. Without enough carbs, you'll feel sluggish, weak, and unable to perform at your best. We're talking about complex carbohydrates, the kind found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These bad boys provide sustained energy release, unlike the sugar rush and crash you get from refined carbs. Complex carbohydrates are digested slowly, providing a steady stream of energy to your muscles and brain. So don't be afraid to fuel your body with the right kind of carbs. Listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Vitamins and minerals, you lot. They're like the behind-the-scenes crew that keeps your body functioning like a well-oiled machine. They're essential for everything from energy production to immune function, bone health to cell repair. Think of vitamins and minerals as the spark plugs that keep your engine running smoothly. From vitamin A for healthy vision to vitamin C for a robust immune system, each vitamin and mineral plays a crucial role. The best way to ensure you're getting a good mix of vitamins and minerals is to eat a varied and balanced diet. Each color of the rainbow represents a different set of nutrients, so aim for a vibrant and diverse plate. And don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for transporting nutrients throughout your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay properly hydrated. So, make sure you're getting your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Now listen up, you lot. Whey protein is a supplement, not a replacement for real food. But for those of you looking to boost your protein intake and accelerate muscle growth, whey protein can be a valuable tool. Whey protein is a milk-derived protein that's quickly absorbed by the body, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. It's like providing your muscles with an immediate influx of amino acids to kickstart the repair and rebuilding process. Think of whey protein as a turbocharger for your muscle growth. It provides a concentrated dose of protein, helping your muscles recover faster and come back stronger. It's particularly beneficial for those who struggle to meet their protein needs through diet alone. Whey protein comes in various forms, including concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. But remember, whey protein is a supplement, not a magic bullet. Always choose a reputable brand that uses high-quality ingredients. Listen up, you lot. Peanut butter, a delicious and nutritious spread that can be a valuable part of a healthy diet. It's a good source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter is made from roasted peanuts that are ground into a paste. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter provide about 8 grams of protein and 16 grams of fat, primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It's also a good source of fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium. Spread it on whole wheat toast, add it to smoothies, or use it as a dip for fruits and vegetables. When choosing peanut butter, opt for natural varieties that contain only peanuts and salt. Avoid brands that add sugar, hydrogenated oils, or other unhealthy ingredients. Remember, peanut butter is calorie-dense, so enjoy it in moderation. Creatine, you lot. It's a naturally occurring substance in your body that plays a crucial role in energy production during high-intensity exercise. It's like a shot of adrenaline for your muscles, helping you push harder and longer. Think of creatine as a reserve tank of energy for your muscles. It helps replenish ATP, the primary energy currency of your cells, allowing you to perform explosive movements and recover faster. Creatine is particularly beneficial for activities that require short bursts of intense energy. It's been shown to increase muscle mass, strength, and power output. Creatine monohydrate is the most widely studied and effective form of creatine supplementation. When starting creatine, it's common to do a loading phase of 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days. After that, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day is sufficient. Hydration, you lot. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about optimizing your performance and recovery. When you sweat, you lose not only water but also essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Think of electrolytes as the electrical conductors of your body. They help regulate fluid balance, muscle function, and nerve impulses. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, decreased performance, and even heat stroke. Water is the best way to stay hydrated, but you can also replenish electrolytes through sports drinks, coconut water, or electrolyte tablets. Choose low-sugar options whenever possible. Listen to your body and drink fluids when you're thirsty. Urine color can be a good indicator of hydration status. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and sip on water throughout the day. Right, you lot. Now that we've covered the essential foods and supplements, let's talk about how to integrate them into your diet for optimal results. Consistency is key. Don't expect miracles overnight. Building healthy habits takes time and effort. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet, gradually incorporating more of the good stuff and cutting back on the processed junk. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid making impulsive, unhealthy choices. Prep your meals on the weekends or in batches to save time during the week. Make sure you're eating a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Aim for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates at each meal. Don't deprive yourself. It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally, as long as it's in moderation. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. There you have it, you lot. The essential foods and supplements you need to fuel your body and achieve optimal fitness. Remember, you are what you eat, so make it count. Choose wisely, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. Incorporate these essentials into your diet and experience the difference. You'll have more energy, recover faster from workouts, build lean muscle mass, and improve your overall health and well-being. It's time to take control of your nutrition and unlock your full potential. Stay healthy and keep pushing your limits. Want to feel amazing? Of course you do. Fitness is the key. It's about more than just looks. We're talking energy, strength, and a powerful mind-body connection. Gym workouts, free routines, bodyweight exercises, they all lead to a healthier, happier you. This guide is your roadmap to success. We'll break down different workout styles, step by step. Whether you're a gym newbie or just starting your fitness journey, we've got you covered. Get ready to sweat, smile, and unlock your full potential. Remember, every fitness journey begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. Are you ready to unleash your fitness? Let's go. Gyms are awesome. They are the ultimate playground for fitness enthusiasts. They're packed with equipment for every muscle group, from your head to your toes. Let's explore a simple yet effective gym workout that can help you get the most out of your time at the gym. Warm up, 5 minutes. Cardio, like jogging on the treadmill or cycling, gets your blood pumping and prepares your body for the workout ahead. Workout, squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lie on the bench, grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Lower the bar to your chest, then push it back up. Control the movement to maximize muscle engagement. This one's for a strong chest and arms. It's a staple in any upper body workout. Lat pull downs, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Sit facing the machine, grip the bar wider than shoulder width. Keep your core engaged. Pull the bar down to your chest, keeping your back straight. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Feel your back muscles working. This exercise is great for building a strong back. Leg press, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Sit with your feet shoulder width apart on the platform. Keep your back pressed against the seat. Push the platform away from you, then slowly lower it back down. Control the movement to avoid injury. Leg day just got real. This exercise targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Stand with dumbbells in each hand, palms facing up. Keep your elbows close to your body. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders, then lower them back down. Focus on the contraction in your biceps. Biceps of steel, here we come. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching after your workout prevents muscle soreness and improves flexibility. It's an essential part of any workout routine. No gym? No problem. You don't need fancy equipment to stay fit and healthy. You can have an amazing workout anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in a park, at the beach, or even in your backyard, the world is your gym. Let's explore the freedom of fitness in the great outdoors. Warm up, 5 minutes. Jumping jacks or high knees are great for getting your heart rate up and preparing your body for the workout ahead. Workout push-ups, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Start in a plank position, lower your chest to the floor, then push back up. This exercise is a staple for building upper body strength. This classic exercise works your chest, triceps, and core. It's a comprehensive move that targets multiple muscle groups. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. This move is excellent for your legs and glutes. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Make sure to keep your upper body straight and your core engaged. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. This exercise will help you build strength and stability. Plank, 3 sets, hold for as long as possible. Hold a push-up position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. This is a fantastic exercise for core stability. Engage your core and hold. The longer you hold, the more you'll feel it working. This one's amazing for your abs and core strength. It's a simple yet effective way to build a strong midsection. Burpees, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. From a standing position, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and jump up. This move combines cardio and strength training. It's a full-body workout in one. Burpees are great for building endurance and burning calories. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching after your workout is crucial, even without gym equipment. It helps to relax your muscles and improve flexibility, reducing the risk of injury. Your body is the ultimate gym. No equipment needed, just your determination and space to move. Let's master some effective bodyweight exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. Warm up, 5 minutes. Arm circles and leg swings prepare your joints for action. This is crucial to prevent injuries and get your body ready. Workout squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Same form as the gym squat but without weights. Focus on proper technique. Keep your back straight and engage your core. Push-ups, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Challenge yourself. Try different variations like wide grip or diamond push-ups to target different muscles. Can you do more than last time? Track your progress and see your strength grow. Lunges, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Keep those legs moving and those muscles burning. Alternate legs and maintain balance. Plank, 3 sets, hold for 45 to 60 seconds. Challenge your core strength and endurance. You got this. Try side planks for an added challenge. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Start in a plank position and bring your knees towards your chest alternately, like you're running in place. This is great for cardio and core. Feel the burn in your core and cardio. Push through and keep your form tight. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching is essential for all workouts, including bodyweight routines. It helps in muscle recovery and flexibility. Proper form is crucial for a safe and effective workout. Focus on these key points. Control, avoid using momentum. Slow, controlled movements engage the right muscles. Full range of motion. Perform each exercise through its full range of motion to maximize results. Engage your core. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged throughout your workout to protect your spine. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop and adjust. Don't push through it. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than many reps with poor form. Understanding reps, sets, and rest periods is key. Reps, or repetitions, are the number of times you perform an exercise consecutively. Sets are a group of repetitions. For example, 3 sets of 10 reps mean you do 10 reps, rest and repeat twice more. Rest is the time you take to recover between sets. 30 to 60 seconds is a good starting point. Adjust these variables based on your fitness level and goals. As you get stronger, you can increase reps, sets, or decrease rest periods. Your body is your best guide. Pay attention to how you feel. Start slowly. Don't go all out on day 1. Begin with a shorter workout and fewer reps. Progress gradually. As you feel stronger, gradually increase the intensity, duration, or frequency of your workouts. Rest and recovery. Give your body time to rest and repair after workouts. Aim for at least 1 rest day per week. Nutrition matters. Fuel your body with nutritious foods to support your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Even small, consistent efforts yield big results over time. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. You've learned about gym workouts, free routines, body weight exercises, and the importance of form, reps, sets, and rest. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. Choose a workout plan that excites you and fits your lifestyle. Remember, even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Be patient, be persistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Start strong, stay consistent, and get ready to see amazing results. You've got this.